Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I'm back with a new video of sunset view painting. So let's get started. First I'm going to paint the sunset view. For this you have to use yellow, orange and red color. You have to paint in exactly the same way as I am painting. In between you have to paint yellow, after it light orange. After light orange you have to paint dark orange, and at the corners you have to apply red color. Blend these three colors with each other. Blending should be smooth. You have to apply white color in the sun. Now I'm going to paint the downside view. I'm applying a mixture of green and black color. At the other corner you have to make a hump using brown color. To give it a realistic touch, you have to use black and green color inside it. And blend it like I'm blending it. In the grass side area, you have to apply yellow color and then you have to bunch it a bit. At the upside of the hump, you have to draw a tree. I have made a stem with black color and leaves using dark green color. Apply yellow color in between the leaves of the tree. Now at the side area, you have to draw many trees. Corner will be small, and then after a small and then the biggest. Have to make it leaves. And then you have to bunch it. And then you have to apply a little shade of yellow color at the corners of the leaf. Now the remaining area, I'm going to paint water in it. You have to apply light orange color for the water. You have to make water waves using white color to have a realistic touch. Downside the trees, you have to make it shadow. Dark the hump margins using brown color. Here we go, it's completed. You can see it is looking very beautiful. If you like my today's video, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz. Meet you in the next video.